I believe I found another clogged gutter. Yee-haw! Oh, this home is perfect. These homeowners don't care about cleaning their gutters. This is what happens when homeowners don't give a crap about their gutters. I love it! Time to get to work and have some fun destroying this beautiful home. Guys, come over here. Climb off to the foundation. Then to another home with clogged gutters. See you guys soon. I believe I found another clogged gutter. Oh no, oh no. These homeowners do give a crap. They've installed Leaf Slugger gutter protection. Next time, Leaf Slugger, next time.